Hi, today I will be talking about the SANGFOR WANO IPSec VPN. IPSec VPN allow third-party VPN device to interconnect with existing network in order to establish the standard IPSec VPN connection. We will be configuring the SANGFOR WANO IPSec VPN according to this topology, where the WANO will be configured as HQ with the LAN interface of 192.168.100.100/24 and the WAN interface of 10.100.100.100. For the other non-SANGFOR IPsec VPN device, we will be using the Cisco as a branch office with the LAN interface of 192.200.200.100/24 and the WAN interface of 20.100.100.100. Next, we will be using this topology as our IPsec VPN scenario, that the IPsec VPN connection will use the encryption method of 3-dash, authentication algorithm of MD5, and the pre-share key will be 123. Step 1. We will need to configure the phase 1. First, access the WANO. Next, go to IPsec VPN. Under phase 1, click New and enter the device name. For the mode, we choose main mode. As for the static IP, we will be using 20.100.100.100. For the encryption, we choose 3-dash and the authentication will be MD5. Pre-share key will be 123. As for the DH group max attempt and also the lifetime, we will be using the default setting. Next, tick the enable and to allow the connection. Step 2, we will need to configure the phase 2. Under phase 2, click New for the inbound policy and enter the name for the inbound policy. For the services will be all services and the schedule will be all day. For the peer IP, we'll be using subnet with the IP address of 192.200.0.0 with the subnet mask of /16. The peer device will be the device we declare in phase 1. Click OK for the inbound policy to be configured. Next, click New under the outbound policy and enter the name for the outbound policy. Service will be all services and the schedule will be all day. For the local IP, we will be subnet and using the IP address of 192.168.0.0/16. The device will be using the device 1 and the security option will be using the default security option. Click OK for the configuration to be success. Step 3, we will be configure the security option. Under the security option tab, we can see here the default security is the one that we use in phase 2. Click New to add another custom security option. We can choose for the protocol, the authentication, and the encryption algorithm that we like. Click OK for the changes to be done. After that, go back to phase 2. Under the outbound policy, click Edit. Go to the security option. Here we can choose for the custom security option that we declared just now. Click OK for the configuration to be done. For the last step, we will need to configure the local subnet for the remote VPN device to be able to locate the local subnet that is in the HQ site. Go to System, Network. Under the local subnet, click New to add for the local subnet that is in the HQ site. In our case, will be 192.168.10.0 with the subnet mask of /24. Next, we will be adding another local subnet of 192.168.11.0 with the subnet mask of /24. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.